Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna make a very beautiful arrangement. It's gonna be sunflower arrangement with roses. So now I have a lot of roses over here, and I have here my plates, and I have a little dish over here, which this is gonna be the seeds of the sunflower. Now we're gonna start. I'm not good with names with plants, flowers. This is a plant of this. It's very beautiful filler, very beautiful plant it is. So what did I do is I took them and I took whichever, like it's nice, good. I cut them. So this is gonna be under the sunflower petals. So what we're gonna do, I cut some little sponge, which before I use them. So what I'm gonna do is, because it's gonna get over here, we're not gonna put any water. The water gonna go into the sponge. Just make sure your sponge is soaked with water. So now the leaves, I cut them. I did cut them, I prepared them. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill all around. This is gonna be under the petal of the sunflower. So these are the green one. It should go a little bit more in. And when we put water, of course, what it's gonna do is to get wet and stay fresh and nice and healthy. So now I'm gonna do this all around. This is gonna be very beautiful. This is gonna be for people who love sunflowers. You can do this arrangement. You don't have to do this big, but you can do as big or as small that you can do it. Very simple, very easy. As a matter of fact, you can use maybe other leaves that it makes you like it more besides this, or if you don't find it, any kind of leaves that it has flat, like you can do even with what they call lemon tree, or any citrus lemon, or any citrus fruits, orange, mandarin, tangelo. It will be flat and it will be very, very nice. Now, this is how it's gonna look now. So we have a lot of roses over here. With these roses, I'm gonna cut them like very short, like about 2 inch, maybe 3 inch. And I'm gonna start decorate from inside. And you can do colorful. This is it's gonna be, like I said, this is like sunflower with roses. Let's put it different variety colors next to each other. You can keep this like this way, and let me cut this and make it a little bit more sharper so it goes in. Beautiful. Look how pretty it is. If anybody wants me to work in a flower shop, I would not say no. I love to work in flower shop. I love to work in a garden. I love to work restaurants. I love to do cooking. As a matter of fact, you can see on my videos some little stuff. I didn't make it too much, but I do enjoy anything. When you do something that you really like, you always will succeed. So try to make things that it gives you pleasure. Look at this. Who cannot not love this? We're just gonna make sure that we're covering the sponge. We don't wanna see any green color from the sponge. We have to fill it. Let's put a little bit closer. Look at the flower with the green, how beautiful it looks. All right, let's put one white here. Now you're gonna say there is more white here, there is less white here. You just do as you please. There is no rule regulation. Just do whatever your eyes sees it, makes it pleasant for your eyes. And when you take to someplace else, to friends, family, they are gonna enjoy it. As a matter of fact, you can put this as a wedding table for couples. Decorate this way. They will love it. It's breathtaking arrangement it is. There we go. And then push it more in. Now you will see how beautiful it is all around. It's roses. You feel like you want to eat them. They are so beautiful. Now, again, I want to show you that I have a Russian chocolate over here. And this is going to be the seeds of the sunflower. Let's do this. And let's see how good it's going to look. There we go. They are yellow color, right? So the seeds, it's already gonna tell you that this looks like sunflower, even if I didn't tell you. There you go. Any occasions, you can take it to friends, family's house. Definitely they are gonna enjoy it. And you can add second layer. Just fill it. And this will be beautiful sunflower arrangement. Make sure first you put the bottom and then you can add the rest outside. I had friends over here, they took some of my chocolates, even though I told them not to, but they did. But it's okay, let them enjoy, as long as they appreciate. They enjoy it. There you go. And here it is, chocolate sunflower with roses arrangement. Here it is, my beautiful arrangement. I'm sure that you love it, and you do the same if you can. It's very simple. Instant just to take the chocolate like that, or just a flower bouquet like that in their hands. You just do this. This is very, very unique, pleasant, beautiful, breathtaking. I can't get enough to say good things about flowers. Well, thank you for watching. Go check my other videos. You see animals, work, construction, cats, turtles, chickens, all variety videos. And I hope you enjoy them and you will like them and subscribe them. And I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.